click on the subscribe button so that you would be subscribed to my channel, and also click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my future videos. So today in this video I'm going to teach you a zigzag stitch. This is going to be a stitch number 2. So it's a zigzag stitch. To begin with that, I'm going to use my gold color thread and a blue color silk thread for this project, and a 14 number needle. So the needle number what I'm using is number 14. And if you want to buy all these stuff, the Aari stand, the thread, the needle, the chalk, pencil, whatever I used in this project, all the link is in the description box. And everything is sold in Amazon because most of them ask me about the product, where to purchase the Aari stand. Everything is in the description box, just check the link below. So first I have made a knot over here, and I'm using a very thin fabric so that you can see what I'm doing exactly underneath this. Okay, so I have already posted the basic Aari stitch, how to make a loop, how to sew that. So if you missed that, please do check with that, because this is going to be a next level of stitch. So first you're going to make a straight chain stitch. Okay, so Aari is all about a chain stitch. So first you're going to make a chain stitch before beginning with a zigzag stitch. Okay, let me make that a little bit close like this, and you can see a very small stitch will do that. How it's just going to look really beautiful. So you can do this style in the neckline. First you're going to put a chain stitch and after that you're going to add a zigzag stitch to that. So just give a U neckline, and you can try this for sure. It is very simple and easy to make. All you need is practice. Okay, so first I'm making a chain stitch, and also I'll be teaching you how to make a end knot in this video. So I'll be making a separate video for that, because end knot is very important. But for today I'll teach you a simple and easy method, because this video has to be done with an end knot. So before making the end knot, make sure that you make a little bit big loop. Okay, continuing that, you make a very big loop. First loop should be little bit big, and the second loop should be very big than that. And just pull the thread all up like such, and leave the first loop and go to the second loop and hold the second loop in place. So Aari needle is like hook like structure at the tip, so make sure you hook the second loop like this and bring the first loop underneath the needle. And hope you understood this. For sure in my next video I'll teach only the end stitch, because that's very important, end knot. So little by little you're going to pull the excess thread down, and you can see that is the first loop popping out. Again I'm going to put the first loop underneath my needle, and I'll be pulling that down. I'm just making it in a slow motion so that you can see what I'm exactly doing over here. Just pull that underneath like this, so that you make a nice and neat end knot. Okay, there are different kind of end knots are there. I'll teach you the very simple and easy 2 knots in my next video. And if you don't want to miss that video, do subscribe my channel, and also do click on the thumbs up button below. So in this way we made a beautiful knot. Make sure that you pull the needle little bit up so that you make a very firm knot like this. Okay, that's it. Make sure you pull the thread out. Everything happens in a second. As I'm making in a slow motion, it just takes a little bit of time. So now my knot is ready. Okay, for the zigzag stitch, make sure you take a 2 strands of thread like this, and make sure you put a knot before starting this. So it's a 2 strands of thread, and I have started by putting a knot. I'm taking the thread underneath, and I'm going to start like this. So zigzag is nothing but in a cross way you're going to finish off the stitch. So a little small trick over here is, whenever you make a loop, just pull that little bit back so that the loop would be tight enough so that it won't come at the front. So next it's going to be like this. So how big zigzag stretch you want, you can just make that, because just like that, pulling the loops, you can make a very big loop also. You can see all you need is the hand control. See, just pull that at the back little bit before going for the next loop. You can see I'm just pulling that little bit back so that it will be firm enough, it won't come front. And the main thing is the fabric in the Aari stand should be tight enough to hold that in place, because this zigzag stitch is going to be a very tight stitch. When the fabric in the Aari stand is loose, for sure you won't get the zigzag stitch. Okay, whenever you make a loop, just pull that back little bit, lock that, and then you're going to make another one like this. So it will be a very simple and easy neckline. When you make a U neckline, just give a straight chain stitch, and then you're going to put a zigzag all over the U neckline. For sure it's going to look simple and neat. And this way I'm going to finish off my entire line like this. So this is going to be a stitch number 2. Okay. So little by little I'm finishing off this one, and also I'll be showing you how to make a knot over this. Okay, now it's going to end, and I'm putting my last zigzag, and now just put up one more stitch. This is going to be the end knot. So pull the first one out and leave the first one, hold that in another hand, and take the second one, that the previous loop in your Aari needle, and take this first loop, open the loop, and bring that under the needle like this. Is that simple? Very simple. It might look complicated when you watch the video, but when you try, for sure you'd be getting a very simple and neat, easy knot. Okay, so just pull out the thread like such, and gradually you're going to pull the needle and take the needle out slowly, and that's how you make a knot. You can see how beautiful it is. So it's going to have a zigzag way like this, and it just came out really nice. And also I just made a orange and a royal blue color, and it has a blue and gold color. So hope you like this video, and if you want more videos like this, I'll be posting more videos like this for sure. And if you don't want to miss those videos, please do subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button below. So see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.